Hey, what's up YouTube? We're here at Carlsbad. We're gonna visit the Nike factory store here. It's the last few days for the 20% discount plus 10%. We're gonna see what they have here. It's been a minute since I've been here, so let's go see. There's the line. We're almost there. Waited like about 10 minutes in line. Checking the clearance, they have the San Francisco 49ers Super Bowl shirt from $129 to $99. Apparel, they have the JDIs, you have the Monarchs. Everything is 25%. Checking on the other Air Max, the 720s. 200s, more 200s. They have the Air Max 2, the Atmos here. Again, they have full size run almost, 8 to 11. Some tailwinds and all the other. Just go down the aisle for you guys. Element 55s. Alright guys, the up-tempo 95s or Landers. We have a full-size run. Have this Sriracha all red, and then 720, and they have these blazers, soldiers, all these other hyper joints, Green Union, and the Air Max 720. All these other running shoes, Nike Zoom. Just going down the running aisle. Look at the hash wall, you guys. There's the LeBrons, you guys. And these other ones. These 119. And they have these Air Force One, the back history month below. 119. And they have these Air Force One QS, black green spark. The Jordan Mars 270 and the DMP colorway, $24.97. A lot of the PGs. Threes. We have these ones. Got Jordan 3s. Check apparel, guys. Graphic tees. I have these shorts, and these are actually pretty good shorts. The prices on them: 44 plus 20% off. Have that, and you have the Nike jersey and the blue shorts. And this is the women's hash wall. We do have some good selections in the aisles. And these Air Force Ones, $59.99. Alright guys, that was just a quick video at the Carlsbad Nike factory store during their 20% off entire store. And if you're a Nike Plus member, you get an additional 10% off your purchase. I did purchase something today for a friend. I was happy to find it here at the store. Thank you again for joining me. If you guys like, comment, and share, and thank you again for subscribing. And if you like this type of content, I do try to post up or upload about 2 to 3 videos a week on like Nike vlogs. Thank you again. Until the next time, you guys.